Make him whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up. Make him whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up.
Hey guys, what's good? So good morning. So if you guys watched Kia's vlog, depending on when Kia's vlog goes up, but she's been crying to go to the Masego concert. So yeah, we found tickets yesterday, like literally at like midnight. The reason why my voice is so deep is not because I just woke up, but because yesterday, after our paper, because I wrote like the wildest paper yesterday, we just went to chill, you know. And obviously it went up because, yeah, it just went up because my friends are fun. That's why it went up. So yeah, I look like a dude. I really look like my name could genuinely, in life, it looks like my name could be Tebo. Please, John, please, just look at this. There's literally hair everywhere. I talked to Kirato. She says we should meet up at 1. It's currently almost 9, so I've got some time, you know. I'm just gonna clean up, get ready, and yeah.
Not weird with like red lipstick?
No, I like it. Yeah.
I feel so strange. You know, I'm such a nude little girl.
Oh yeah, okay. Hi guys. Hi. We are here. Well, we're in a garage.
Dude, I actually hope that this is what let me ask these heads because she's been talking to me. Did you have to print the thing?
If we have to print the ticket.
Don't say.
But the printer's at my house. Do you have a printer? Hold here, filter.
I haven't had anything to eat. That's why I'm shaky.
I haven't had anything to eat. I only just realized.
Yeah, I can't wait to tell you what happened.
Yeah. Bye guys. Ew, this lighting's ugly. Okay, we're crossing the road, y'all. I'm scared of this shit. I want to get to walk in front of me.
Wow, so
I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh, I have to show you guys my outfit.
She looks so fire, guys.
Thanks, boys. Was Gia not panicking this morning? It was so funny. Please go watch her vlog. It was so... Did you vlog it?
Yeah, no.
Ah, you didn't?
Not really.
No, okay, let me tell you what happened.
I was so grumpy, dude, after I couldn't find an outfit. And I was
literally
hungry.
She went to go look for the skirt we saw yesterday. It was so nice. But then she couldn't find...
medium and large.
The medium didn't fit. Shit.
Dude, I was upset. At least I look cute.
It looks so cute. Let me walk in front. Yes, baby girl. Hey. She looks so pretty. So we're gonna go inside. Guys, let me tell you, the secret to your makeup is powder. God damn it.
Bona.
No ways. Secret to your makeup is powder. Okay, we're gonna walk in. It's literally Go Farmers, basically. Let me show you guys.